How to clear cache on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. In here you're gonna find free app space. Scroll down, click on it. Wait for a second and you have cache. You can clear your cache to free up space, and this won't affect your TikTok experience. That means your effects, filters, stickers, wherever you are whatever in your TikTok, won't affect them. And this is it guys, easy and quick. You can click on clear and this is how you free up your cache space. Don't forget to subscribe and like.